Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your local account username on Windows using the control panel. Let's get started. First, we need to open the control panel. To do that, press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. Now, type Control in the box and hit Enter. This will open the control panel. Now, click on User Accounts again to open the next menu. Next, click on Manage another account. This will show you a list of all the accounts on your computer. Here, you'll see all the accounts on your computer. Select the local account whose name you want to change. Click on the local account you want to rename. Now, click on the Change the Account Name option. In the next window, you can type the new name you want for your account. Once you've entered the new name, just click Change Name. And that's it. Your local account username is now changed. You can log out and log back in, and the new name will appear. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your local account username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.